world full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time of coming, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my family's channel. Okay, just hit the subscribe. Okay, all right guys, so without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is my pepper. So I have my pepper in here. Nigeria pepper, grounded pepper, native Benin pepper. Okay, so this one is so hot. This one is so hot and good. So I told my mom to grind it for me. You guys see, this is my pepper. And the other thing that is here, okay, the other thing that is here is my ugu leaf, which is punky. My mom did punky for me as well. And this is my punky leaf. Okay, so the other thing is my crayfish. This crayfish plenty. The things are much, and the worst part of it, they are not smelly because they give them day before yesterday. They give them on Tuesday, and today is Thursday, just arrived, and the thing is not smelly at all. So this is my crayfish for the whole year. I'm not going to buy anything Africa food anymore, and we are just going to be using this one. Yeah, so my crayfish. The other thing is bitter leaf. Is this bitter leaf? This is bitter leaf. Yeah, the other one was ugu leaf, and this one is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf for black soup. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I can't wait to be pregnant again. After this one, I'll be pregnant again so that my mom will bring everything for me. So this one is my bitter leaf. So this is my bitter leaf, guys. This is my bitter leaf for the newborn baby. So we have our okporoko. My mom is wonderful. Like, she is a great woman. She is wonderful. We have our okporoko here. I can't wait to descend. This okporoko be like say they bring odor. So we gotta put it in the freezer, wash it. Oh my goodness, guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Oh, Jesus Christ. I feel like eating it. Guys, can you see that? Oh, Jesus, this one is smush. See what did my mommy buy for me? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus. This one be like human being head. Like, this one is big. It's for a baby, for a newborn baby. Black soup, pepper soup, and all that. Oh God. This is wonderful. This one is you guys, can you see? This one is great. This is wonderful, guys. I can't wait. So we have our pepper soup spices here. We have our pepper soup spices. Another pepper soup spices again. So we have our pepper soup spices and banga, pepper soup and banga spices together. You see that? Pepper soup and banga spices. And we have our, okay, this one is banga spices. Banga spices. Banga. Yeah. So this is the banga spices, and that is the pepper soup spices. And wow, which one is this? The thing is too much, guys. You need to see everything. This one is what? Which one be this one? My snail. Oh my goodness. I told my mom to do snail for me, fry it, because it's not going to spoil. It's just 2 days, you know, so it's not going to spoil. As you can see, the snail never spoil. Oh I feel like eating this day. Guys, you need to taste this. This day, it never spoil. I need to watch it. So. It never spoil. No, because they fry it. Let me see. No, because they fried it the day before yesterday, and they give the person the same day before yesterday in the evening, and the tea arrived today, just 2 days. This one a newborn baby's name for my pepper soup. Oga. Hey, Gilen Oga. Our work. The thing work, guys. The thing is, my mom is really, really wonderful. God bless my mom. God bless my mom. You guys see my snail now. Should I do? Okay. Can you guys see my snail? Can you guys see? This is the snail. Very big, eh? Very big. The thing is very big. So guys, this is my snail, and I have my Oreo here. My mom brought it for me. Oreo, you know what is Oreo? Shea butter to massage baby. You know, we Benin people, we really love to use shea butter on your baby when you give birth, you know. So that's what my mom brought for me, and it's not finished. We still have our goosey here. So let me do. This one is Gary. This one is Gary. Gary. This Gary too much. Now I told my mom small one. I said no problem, because if you want to claim on, that be the problem. But it's okay. We've claimed it already. Oh my God, this is the Gary, guys. The Gary that came with it. Enough Gary for the baby mama. Enough Gary for the baby mama. All right. So which one is this? Let's check this. This one is the ogbolo and the goosey. I don't tire. The things are much. Chineke me. Chineke. If it's successful, come and carry your own part of it. Come and carry your own part of it. Oh. This one will not finish for 1 year. 1 year. Chineke. Okay, this one is the goosey. Guys, I didn't see my scissors, so don't mind me. This is it. I don't know where I kept it with my hand. Chineke. Where is it? It's success, my sister. Oh, come and carry your whole part of it. Oh, so this one is the goosey, and this is the goosey. Only the ogbolo plenty. Jesus. This is the ogbolo, guys. Very plenty. Hi guys. This is the goosey and the ogbolo. So we still have some part here. We have our granite. I told my mom to buy me granite. We go well with the gari. Obina somo ineme obina so. You guys want to see the gari? I'm not giving anybody this one. This one, nobody. Another pepper soup spices. Not bad for us. Here is another pepper soup spices, guys. And yeah, it's finished. These are the old things that my mom bought for me, and they are so much. I so much appreciate it. It's so good. This one is much, man. I have to do thumbnail, guys. I'm eating the groundnut already. Please, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. You want to see my tummy?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.